ऊपर ऊपर करण सर ऊपर
धन्यवाद। इससे पहले कि आप कुछ पूछें मैं बोल ही देता हूँ आपको क्या पूछने वाले हैं। स्टारडस्ट, सनसुई, कलर्स, इन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस पुरस्कार के लिए। ये फिल्म हमारे लिए और हम सब के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण थी। उसका विषय जो था वो बहुत ही अहम था। आज के समाज में मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि बेटियां जो हैं वो उनका एक स्थान जो है उनको इज़्ज़त और सम्मान मिलनी चाहिए। और इस फिल्म के द्वारा हमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत से लोगों के मन में घर किया उन्होंने। सबसे प्रथम बात जो ये थी कि जो इसका संवाद था, नो मीन्स नो, ये संवाद जो था इसने देश को एक तरह से एक चुनौती दी, एक नया वाक्य दिया। और इस बात की मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों ने इसकी प्रशंसा की, ख़ास तौर से हमारे देश की महिलाओं को। मेरा हमेशा मानना रहा है कि देश की महिलाओं जो हैं वो 50% शक्ति है हमारे देश की। They must be given the dignity and the respect that they deserve, and I'm very happy to be associated with a cause through a film that propagates this dialogue. Thank you. हाँ जी, नया साल तो हर रोज़ होता है जी, बधाई। हाँ जी, क्रिसमस कौन है आप पूछ रहे हैं? हो गया।
Best actress. Then here. Thank you very much, but you know I'll prefer in English. It is. It was amazing, you know. It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much. So I really enjoyed it.
Your music album is also being highly appreciated. So anything on that front?
Himesh's album, yes, and our song seems to be very well received by the audience, so I'm very happy about that.
Now that you've performed here and you've done a lot of stuff, what is keeping you away from Bollywood?
I don't know, music is my passion, so I'm following this passion.
Salman's birthday is also coming up. Any special plans on that front? What would you like to give him this time around?
I don't know, all my respect and my love.
Salman was also here. As you see your performance, you were there yesterday for the technical awards as well. So any tips or inputs that you share with you as far as performance goes, because he's a pro out there?
I've said it before, you know, when you enjoy what you do, when you just be yourself and enjoy yourself, then
But any special tips from Salman that you would perhaps receive?
this is the tip that I think we should all follow, right?
Right. What are the plans for the new year?
For the new year, I don't know, just to do more that I love. These are my plans for the next year, actually.
Okay, but will you be in India?
Yes, I'll be here.
And any plans for December 27th?
Yeah, probably I'll celebrate.
One will, right?
Let's see. Let's see. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me? Okay, everyone, wish you a lovely, happiest new year, full of love, and wish you to have all the near ones, the loved ones near you.
वेरी नाइस है एक्चुअली। 2016 अगर मैं गिनूँ तो ऐसे ही गिनूँगा जो फिल्में आई थी। सो आई थॉट आई हैड मेरी सबसे अच्छी थी अपनी फिल्म, फैन थी उसमें. Then I think ए दिल में थोड़ा सा काम था और डियर जिंदगी. And now I'm on to Raees. So it's been a good year. Little hectic. Otherwise, really nice year as an actor. Yeah. जस्ट एक घुटने में चोट लगी थी लेकिन अभी ठीक है. शो खत्म हो गया, मैं आया हूँ यार. अभी थोड़ा होस्ट करूँगा मैं. नहीं, मुझे कुछ परफॉर्म करना है लेकिन शो के बाद करूँगा. नहीं, अभी नाम नहीं है. तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ आए तो बता देना. लव स्टोरी है. मैंने कोई अभी डिसाइड नहीं हुआ. Very exciting year, but you know, normally एक महीना पहले when the film is releasing, we are normally into post-production, so that's very hectic. You know, you're dubbing, you're doing background, you're doing sound, so I've been working round the clock to finish that off. So the excitement doesn't reach us. We just do the promotion and marketing and then go back to the studio. I'm very happy. I think I'm nominated for Fan, and मेरे लिए वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म थी. मेरी सबसे चहेती फिल्मों में से है, so I'm happy I was nominated. I have not met anyone this time. I'll be just working on Raees. There's no plan. कोई भी नहीं है, अभी कुछ डिस्कस नहीं किया. थैंक यू. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Superstar of tomorrow. Sorry? बहुत हम्बलिंग है क्योंकि जब स्टारडस्ट जो बहुत सालों से है ये अवार्ड आपको सम्मानित करता है तो बहुत महत्व रखता है. एंड इसका यही मतलब है कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है अगले साल के लिए जहाँ बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया और जुड़वा 2 रिलीज़ होगी तो उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मैं अच्छा सिनेमा करूँ, अच्छी फिल्म करूँ. एंड बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर फिल्म जो मेरी रिलीज़ हो उसमें एक मैसेज हो और वही कोशिश है बद्रीनाथ के साथ.
I think it's really exciting to be here. This is the season of awards and every award has its charm. So this is actually going to be my first Stardust Award. So I'm quite excited about it.
Ma'am, also, iconic song Amma Amma has been remade for OK Janma.
Yeah, I'm very keen to see what they've done with the song. I hope it's as good as the original.
Do you think, iconic songs should be remade, should be done?
If it's done well, why not? But if it's not done well, then I do object.
2016 मतलब आपने सब कुछ चौंका दिया कि मतलब भारत का नाम रोशन किया है
आई नो ना, सब शॉक हो गए कि ये मैं कहाँ से आ गई. Actually, I landed yesterday. और आज मैंने कॉफ़ी विद करण की भी शूटिंग की और स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स भी थे, सो आई हैड टू कम. परिणीति एक मेरे लिए सरप्राइज ट्रिब्यूट दे रही है, सो आई वांटेड टू कम एंड सी दैट. एंड मैंने इंडियन रेड कार्पेट्स इतने सालों से, इतने दिनों से नहीं किए. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बड़ी एक्साइटेड थी इंडियन कपड़े पहन के एक रेड कार्पेट में आने के लिए. पता करो, देखना. इट्स फॉर मी टू नो एंड यू टू फाइंड आउट. हमने ग्लोबल प्लान बनाया है, विच इंडिया इज अ बिग पार्ट ऑफ दैट. तो आएंगे, मतलब मेरा मतलब.
We loved you in Baywatch, but we wanted to see more of it. That is the entire. That is what the people on social media are saying. So,
Absolutely.
What do you have to say, Mary? Because we were taken aback seeing only that one second shot.
The film releases in May, and we are in November, December when the trailer released. So keep watching. There's a lot more coming up. Is all I'll say. Absolutely, but I think what is very important to remember about the Nirbhaya rape case is to not forget what happened and to continue the conversation, which people forget about, and I think that's very important. जी हाँ, मैं 2 फिल्में करने वाली हूँ अगले साल, क्योंकि क्वांटिको सीज़न 2 और 3 के बीच में. अब वो कौन सी होंगी वो डिसाइड करने आई हूँ यहाँ पे, और जनवरी में I'll decide by January I should know. मैं काम कर रही हूँ रोज़. I'm working till the 29th. रोज़ शूटिंग. मैंने अपनी खिड़कियाँ खोली और बॉम्बे की खुशबू को अंदर लिया. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. Thanks guys.
बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है. ये हमारे 2.5 साल का सपना अभी पूरा हो रहा है. 7 अप्रैल को फिल्म रिलीज़ है. पोस्टर आज रिलीज़ किया, कल प्रोमो आउट होगा. अनुराग बासु, प्रीतम, कटरीना और मैंने बहुत मेहनत से ये फिल्म बनाई है. बहुत प्यार से बनाई है, दिल से बनाई है. एक फैमिली फिल्म है, बच्चों की फिल्म है. और यही विश करता हूँ कि लोगों को पसंद आए. आप सबकी मदद चाहिए कि इस फिल्म को आप एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव तरीके से बाहर प्रेजेंट करें. एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. Well, I honestly don't think I deserve to win this year. There are superior performances. Amit ji hai, Salman Khan hai, Sushant hai. They all have done some wonderful performances this year, and they are more deserving than I am. But I'm performing this year, so I'm very excited. Plus, my father is winning an award, which means a lot to me, for Kapoor and Sons. So I'm really looking forward to that. Yes, sir. Thank you. Well, घर होता है as long as you feel home and you feel comfortable and you feel at peace. वही feeling आ रही है. It's just a home. हाँ, मैं अगले महीने शुरू कर रहा हूँ. बहुत ही मुश्किल फिल्म है. To represent Sanjay Dutt and to work with Raju Hirani. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि I don't deserve this film. But really looking forward to working on that film. क्या हो गया है? लिफ्ट कर दिया. अभी वो काम कर सकते हैं तो अच्छी. मुझे इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं हासिल, तो अगर मैं इसके बारे में कुछ बोलूँगा तो शायद मिस इंटरप्रेट होगा. मैं इसके बारे में पढ़ के फिर आपको बताऊँगा. आई डोंट थिंक जो कास्ट है वो अभी तक अनाउंस हुई है. कंफर्म हाँ तो फिर है.
पहले आपको ये बता दें कि हम एक घर में नहीं रहते हैं, हम अलग अलग रहते हैं. तो ये सिर्फ कोइंसिडेंस है, इत्तेफाक है कि हम एक ही वक्त आए और हम आपके सामने हाजिर हैं. ऐसा क्यों? मतलब कि
कंप्लेंट नहीं है. कंप्लेंट नहीं है. इनसे और खूबसूरत इंसान इस दुनिया में बना ही नहीं है.
Yes, my book is ready. Book should be out on. We are targeting the Chennai Literary Festival. That's on the 16th or 17th of January. So the target is that. I hope we are on target. ये इतना चिल्ला रहे कौन सुनेगा? ये पहले वो चिल्लाना बंद करें. हाँ जी पूछिए. वो जब आएगी तब पूछना ना. आप क्यों पूछ रहे हो? अभी वो वक्त नहीं है पूछने का. हाँ जी क्या पूछ रहे थे आप? जोर से बोलिए, मैं कम सुनता हूँ. That has got nothing to do with you at this point of time. You talk of something what is happening now. मुझे नहीं पता अभी तक. जब देखेंगे तब बताऊंगा मैं आपका. तब तक शांत रहिए. बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ से. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. बेले अवार्ड अब साहब 44 साल 44 years हो गए यार. क्या it's an event you must go to. It's an event you must go to. God bless. अभी तुम लोग बहुत पूछते रहो.
I don't know really what's going to keep me excited, but I'm hoping to enjoy myself for sure. And yeah, that's it.
You're also marking your return to South cinema with how excited would that be for you? Tell us something more about it.
I'm a little apprehensive to be honest. But yes, I am very, very excited. I love the fact that I'm going back to Tamil after a very, very long time. But yeah, I'm excited about it. I think he's a very, very fine actor. I do think he's a very fine actor. I haven't seen Saundarya's work, but I think she looks, I mean, like as though she knows what she's talking about. So, and we get along very well. So things will be good. Yeah.
Your film completes a significant days. How does it feel to be Shivai completing a significant number of days in today's time?
Amazing. In today's day and time, for any film to complete 50 days, I think is a huge, huge, big deal. And I'm really, really happy about Shivai. I expected it, but yes, it feels good. Sorry, I didn't get your question. His reaction. Why do you ask him that? But since I'm here, of course he's also very, very excited about it. Of course, the same reaction that I have had is the same reaction that he has had as well. So we're all really, really happy about it.
Another question I want to ask, that Indian films were not going screen in the neighboring countries. Now they are again allowing, namely Pakistan. So do you think this is the right step for the two countries now?
I think anything where the film industry gets a break, where the film industry, where it's a positive sign, etc., is a good thing. So I'm all for the film industry. Enough. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, everybody.
नमस्कार. अच्छा लगता है, अवार्ड मिलता है, अच्छा लगता है. और क्या बोलूं? और क्या बोल सकते हैं? विशेष इच्छा मुझे नहीं मालूम. मैं कभी इच्छा करती नहीं हूँ किसी चीज़ की. भगवान जो देता है उसको हम ले लेते हैं बस. खुद का ऐसा ये नहीं होता कि हमको ये चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. जो आता है गाना गाते गए, आज तक गा रहे. 72 साल हो गए गा रही हूँ और गाती रहूँगी. तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कुछ ये मांगा है भगवान से, उसने दिया है मुझे.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा जिनके बारे में आपने कहा था कि आपके जीवन पे अगर कोई फिल्म बने तो प्रियंका चोपड़ा वो आज यहाँ पर होंगी,
क्योंकि वो सिंगर है, वो गाना बहुत अच्छा गाती है और वो बहुत अच्छी आर्टिस्ट है और बहुत मिलनसार भी है। मेरे साथ उसकी कोई पहचान नहीं थी, फिर भी मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे अंदर लेके जाना, सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ाना, ऐसा कोई भी काम उसने ऐसे नहीं दिखाया कि वो बड़ी आर्टिस्ट है और मैं कौन हूँ क्या। तो जो स्वभाव का अच्छा होता है वो इंसान अच्छा लगता है।
आज के ज़माने में जो पुराने सॉन्ग्स हैं उसको रीमेक किया जा रहा है, रिलीज किया जा रहा है न्यू वर्जन में। जब गाने सुनने का आपका विचार क्या है इसमें?
अच्छा है, ज़माना बदल रहा है, जो ज़माना बदलता है उसके साथ चलते जाना चाहिए। गाना
मैम बस थोड़ी पिक्चर्स, फोटोग्राफर्स बहुत गुस्सा कर रहे हैं मुझे कि आपकी पिक्चर्स नहीं लेने दिए। यहाँ पे लेके
Salman bhai, you my mentor, you my brother, you everything to me. You have done so much for me. A very very happy birthday to you. And बस और क्या कह सकते हैं, दिल से दुआ है आपके लिए. You're the best.
I'm wearing Papa Don't Preach, and I'm wearing silver gown for the first time, so yeah, I love it.
Excited to be at the award ceremony. What are you looking forward to?
Do a lot of fun actually. I mean, award functions are actually one place where you meet almost the entire industry all together, and lots of great performances, some really deserving awards, and a fun night.
When do we see you start promoting
Start promote when it is releasing a little before that, obviously, but yeah, I mean it's now releasing in June, so I guess a month before that, I'm assuming. I also keep hearing always what to do, but you're not bored about it. How? So then if anybody's single and eligible, they should be together. And see, you're going to ask me the same questions when I'm promoting also. Very good, yeah. I've finished almost most of the talkies of the film. We're left with about 3 songs, and this was my fastest film, I think. एक schedule में 45 days में almost पूरी film खत्म करना. But it was so much fun, such great people, awesome actors, and it's a script which is very well written and something which is very different for me to do. So I totally enjoyed it.
Christmas and New Year plans?
No plans, I'm in Mumbai only for now. And mostly my plans are more last minute because I never plan well. Well, I would just wish all the viewers a very, very happy New Year, and may your New Year be whatever you dream it to be, and wish you lots of happiness, lots of love, and lots of success. Thank you so much.
Very beautiful. What are you wearing tonight?
It's Yanina Couture.
Okay. Excited about Stardust Awards. We are really hoping it's you for New Year.
भगवान जाने.
Also, many congratulations for the award that you won in the Middle East. So far, Neerja, that you won recently, how exciting and how privileged you feel when you win this award?
I don't think it's my award. I don't know what to say. I'm very thankful that people are recognizing my performance, but I don't know how to accept it or think about it.
New Year plans?
Yeah, it's my dad's birthday. तो हम उनका birthday जो है वो Christmas पे गिरता है. So we actually always do a family thing.
You also love Anil Kapoor's music. He's looking at least 20 years younger.
Yeah, he is. I think so. मैं उनको कहती रहती हूँ कि उन्हें one day or the other he has to start behaving like my father.
Harsh has won an award.
Yay! He's looking handsome also. He deserves it. He deserves it, and more for him in the future. Thank you.
Before you leave, can you wish our viewers for the New Year's?
Yes, a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. I'm very happy for him.
It's great because, you know, it's really awesome. First of all, when people watch your work, and then to appreciate it is amazing because you put so much into it. So for people to recognize that, that's great, and this is amazing, and I'll be grateful forever to Stardust. It's awesome.
Do you guys discuss work life?
Of course, you know, it's such a big part of our lives, so how can we not? You know, so definitely we do that. We do that a lot. See you.
खबर क्या मिली, मैं शूटिंग करके आ गई हूँ. And what if I don't get it? They'll come and catch you and beat you.
Are you looking forward to the award ceremony and how excited are you? What are you looking forward to?
I am looking forward to it. I'm feeling a little unwell, so you know, energy is a little low, but yeah, I'm looking forward to the evening. काफी धमाकेदार sounding. It's been a fantastic year for me, alright. I've had 2 very big films this year, and both have done well at the box office, and also my work has been appreciated. So I'm feeling very grateful. कुछ सोचो नहीं डिसाइड हुआ, कुछ सोचो, बोलो मुझे.
Hey, I'm just saying bye. I won't get to see you again.
Hi, how are you? How's it going? It's a divine experience because they're both so incredible, you know, at what they do, and of course I share a very good rapport with Shah Rukh, so I feel very at ease when I'm with him. And Imtiaz is a dream director for any actor, so I really enjoy myself. Next year. No plans. Okay, thank you so much. Hi, here's wishing everybody a very happy New Year.
Thank you. मैं मुबारका फिल्म जो है मैं कर रहा था, तो उसके लिए मैं ये लुक ट्राई कर रहा था. मैंने एक आध लुक, मगर अनीस बाज़मी साहब ने ये लुक को रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि उन्होंने बोला नहीं, आपको सरदारी बनना पड़ेगा. तो उस फिल्म में मैं पगड़ी पहनूंगा, तो पगड़ी के अंदर ये होगा शायद, बट अभी उगा रहा हूँ मैं बाल. Yeah, I just met him. Absolutely, it's a very, very proud moment for me. Absolutely, yeah. Couldn't have, you know, it couldn't be better because this is second award. He's so I hope this streak continues. शूटिंग अभी मैं 14 जैन से शूटिंग शुरू कर रहा हूँ, मगर अर्जुन साहब की शूटिंग शुरू हो गई. अर्जुन ने काम शुरू कर दिया.
पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट ने जो बैन लगा रखा था हिंदी फिल्म्स के रिलीज पे, वो हटा दिया है, उसके बारे में सर?
तो बड़ी खुशी की बात है, बड़ी खुशी की बात है.
It's your birthday on 24th. Any plans and any special thing you have planned for this night?
The birthday is like, you know, for me every day is a birthday, and I just roll. You know, for me every day is a birthday, so nothing very special. Sorry? Thank you so much. Well, I want to wish all of you all a very, very happy New Year, and may 2017 be the best year for all of us and for our country, India. Jai Maharashtra, Jai India, Jai Hind. पहले आपको ये बता दें कि हम एक घर में नहीं रहते हैं, हम अलग अलग रहते हैं. तो ये सिर्फ कोइंसिडेंस है, इत्तेफाक है कि हम एक ही वक्त आए और हम आपके सामने हाजिर हैं. ऐसा क्यों, मतलब कि कंप्लेंट नहीं है. इनसे और खूबसूरत इंसान इस दुनिया में बना ही नहीं है. book is ready. Book should be out on. We are targeting the Chennai Literary Festival. That's on the 16th or 17th of January. So the target is that. I hope we are on target. ये इतना चिल्ला रहे कौन सुनेगा? ये पहले वो चिल्लाना बंद करें. हाँ जी पूछिए. वो जब आएगी तब पूछना ना. आप क्यों पूछ रहे हो? अभी वो वक्त नहीं है पूछने का. हाँ जी क्या पूछ रहे थे आप? जोर से बोलिए, मैं कम सुनता हूँ. That has got nothing to do with you at this point of time. You talk of something what is happening now. मुझे नहीं पता अभी तक. जब देखेंगे तब बताऊंगा मैं आपका. तब तक शांत रहिए. बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ से. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. बेले अवार्ड अब साहब 44 साल 44 years हो गए यार. क्या it's just it's an event you must go to. It's an event you must go to. God bless. अभी तुम लोग बहुत पूछते रहो.
जी मैम जी. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड मैम. पहली बार टीवी पे आऊँगा. फिल्में की हैं लेकिन टीवी का एक्सपोजर और भी बड़ा होता है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट. जी मैम जी बिल्कुल. 2017 मेरी लाइफ में एक नई चीज़ लेके आ रहा है, राइजिंग स्टार. सो बहुत सारे इंडिया के जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं वो तो राइजिंग स्टार बनेंगे, खुद मैं भी बनूंगा जी. जी हाँ मैं पता है मुझे सबके बारे में, लेकिन आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट राइजिंग स्टार. थैंक यू सर.
First of all, I want to apologize to all the media people for my birthday. I think काफ़ी chaos. I want to apologize to all of you guys for my birthday. Whatever happened on the 2nd of December, I'm really sorry about that. क्योंकि कुछ भी ऐसा प्लान नहीं था और अंदर मीडिया को मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि अंदर मीडिया जाए लेकिन अंदर आने नहीं दिया. और मैं क्यों नहीं चाहूँगी कि मीडिया वाले अंदर ना हो. हर सेलिब्रिटी या हर आर्टिस्ट चाहता है कि उसकी फ़ोटोग्राफ पेपर पे आए. और आई एम फीलिंग वेरी बैड and I'm pretty saddened with whatever happened and I'm apologizing with closed hands. No, but you know, many people are upset with me, I think especially the photographers. So I would like to apologize to all the photographers especially. I think they are pretty sad and upset with me. It is genuinely not my fault. First I would like to ask, have you guys forgiven me? No, I know, but I need to apologize. Yeah, I'll do that. Because sometimes, you know, misunderstandings happen and as a human being, as a good person, I thought I should come myself and do that on my own before you guys ask for it. Yeah, thank you. Well, I'm styled by Surbhi Gupta and as far as the evening is concerned, it's Stardust, the biggest awards of the year. And I'm looking forward to the evening and I loved Neerja this year, so I hope Neerja wins, is being nominated, and looking forward to Jacqueline Fernandez's performance and celebrating films tonight. Well, I'm shooting with Girish Malik at the moment. The film is called Band of Maharaja and it's been produced by Wave Cinema, so shooting for that currently. Thank you so much.
What are you looking forward to at this award ceremony?
I'm just, I think I'm looking for a good time, you know, entertaining myself and just enjoying the night, that's it.
Salman's birthday is coming up, the entire industry is excited. What are your plans this time around and any surprise gifts that you're planning?
I don't think that he's a person who would, you know, like a gift or something. In my way, I donate donate a small amount to Being Human, and that's my way of gifting him something on his birthday. I'm shooting for Ram Ratan right now, and then next year I'm starting a new film which I'm very excited about. Yes. It's a rom-com. No, I'm not. I'm not performing. This year I've made sure that I want to spend some time with my family, my nephews. So yeah. Of course, yes. Wishing all the viewers a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Are we done? Thanks.
Okay. जोर से बोलो, जोर से बोलो. जिसको अवार्ड मिलता है वो कहता है कि दिस इज़ द बेस्ट अवार्ड, जिसको नहीं मिलता वो कहता है रिग्ड है, लॉबीड है. ये वर्ड मैं ये कहता हूँ कि स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड जो है वो वर्थ अप्रिशिएटिंग है, बिकॉज वो डाइवर्स लोगों को अवार्ड देते हैं, अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, न्यू कमर्स को भी, राइजिंग को भी, स्टार्स को भी. और बहुत सारे अवार्ड स्टारडस्ट में बहुत फैंटास्टिक होते हैं, ख़ासतौर पर सर्च लाइट अवार्ड, ख़ासतौर पर जो अवार्ड न्यू कमर्स को दिए जाते हैं, नए लोगों को दिए जाते हैं, या कुछ ब्रेक थ्रू परफॉर्मेंस को दिया जाता है. अब से 2 साल पहले मुझे स्टारडस्ट बेस्ट एक्टर फॉर फिल्म आई एम कलाम के लिए मिला था, एंड विच आई थॉट वाज एब्सोल्युटली डिजर्विंग. यानी कि मुझे मिला, खुशी हुई, जिन लोगों ने वो फिल्म देखी थी उन्हें खुशी हुई कि अवार्ड एकदम जेन्युइन है. सो आई थिंक यू नो सम ऑफ द अवार्ड्स इन स्टारडस्ट आर ट्रूली वेरी वेरी गुड. बाकी तो ज़्यादातर अवार्ड्स में यही होता है कि इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ सिनेमा, कि सब लोग मिलते हैं, पिक्चर को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. जिनको अवार्ड मिला है उनकी भी कोई ऐसा नहीं हो जाता कि ओ माय गॉड व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस यू हैव डन. इट्स लाइक अ friendly formality, you hug them and you wish them, but you know that it's not one of the greatest achievement that they've done. मेरी forthcoming film है film Batman, जिसमें I am playing the lead in the film. Film is produced by Viacom 18 and directed by Shomik Sen. And एक मेरी और फिल्म आ रही है जिसकी शूटिंग चल रही है, पिक्चर का नाम है बैन होगी तेरी. इसमें राजकुमार राव और श्रुति हासन और मैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.
Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing Shantanu and Nikhil, so very happy to be wearing this film. Sorry? This is my first Stardust Award, so everything, I think the performances and just generally the whole award function. Unfortunately, I don't know if it's on, not on as yet, because it was supposed to be. I don't know, I haven't heard from them myself, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope it's not. Hopefully the New Year's will make a happy announcement, so in the next 10 days hopefully. Nothing officially has been done. I've been meeting a lot of people, so I've actually been reading a lot of news myself. So I just wish that the other people I've met, like I've gone and met all the directors, so that news doesn't seem to be making the headlines, but nothing official as yet. Identify with her is something which is very grave, because that's something which the incident that took place is extremely painful. Right after that incident, there was an incident in Bombay that took place where there was a gang rape in Churchgate that took place. So I feel that we need to, as a society, do what we can, and these cases are very unfortunate. Thank you. Sorry? Yeah?
Well, I'm really looking forward to the performances and yeah, to just get entertained. मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ, वो एक सरप्राइज है, बट जी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट एंड it's releasing on 31st of March and the movie's naam Shabana. Sorry? क्या? जी ये मैंने सुना. Well, I wish him lots of love, health and happiness. So yeah. बहुत excited. He's super funny. Like you just end up laughing while working with him, and yeah, which is great fun. And really, it's just amazing. A great experience to work with Akshay sir. So yeah. Sorry? Ji? Only that I will just keep my dedication and continue with my routines, irrespective with what comes up. I will be very strict with everyone around me in my life and tell them that no, I'm sorry. This is the schedule of mine, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Could you wish our viewers for New Year's and Christmas?
Yes, Merry Christmas everyone, and I wish you a Happy New Year. Just keep on spreading love in life and be happy. Thank you.
अभी हम लोगों ने तय कर लिया है कि हम जहाँ जाएंगे रेड कारपेट में साथ में ही जाएंगे. हाँ हाँ, खास वजह है कि मेरे भाई हैं. See, for me it's extremely exciting because A, I get to work with my brother in this film. B, we are both doing negative roles. C, if you take us both out of the film, there is no film. D, both of us are working with Sanjay Gupta the first time. We've both worked with him separately, but this is the first time. Sanjay Gupta is also like a third brother to us. D, it's got Hrithik Roshan in it. That's, you know, exhilarating. It's a film craft film. Rakesh ji, Gudu ji and me go back a very, very long way. So there are, you know, multiple reasons.
But is the clash with Shah Rukh Khan's race a cause of concern for you personally? Because Rakesh has said that it's very unethical on his part to come and clash with
Sir, I would not want to comment on who has said and what not has been said on this matter. My personal opinion on this is that it is not necessary that if two films release on the same day, only one has to do well. Both the films are good, both will do well. And I take this opportunity to wish SRK and Race all the best.
नहीं, हमारे बीच में वैसा रिश्ता है नहीं. एक्चुअली ये मुझसे बड़े हैं, लेकिन मैं इनको बुली करता हूँ, चाहे वो सेट्स पे हो या घर पे हो.
ये बात है.
और अब झूठ क्या बोलूँ मैं, लेकिन जब साथ में काम करते हैं तो नाउ आई रिस्पेक्ट हिज स्पेस. अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू बुली हिम देन आल्सो. हम लोगों ने इससे पहले एक शो किया था साथ में सरकार, उसमें मैं इनको बुली करता था. लेकिन अब जब मैं देखता हूँ कि इन्होंने जो एक ऑरा अपने आस-पास बनाए रखा है, इनके पास जाने से भी डर लगता है सेट पे. But otherwise, it's been a fun ride. I think Kabil will be very interesting for the audiences for obviously the reasons he listed. But for me personally, it was just great to be working with him and sharing screen space with him. Thank you very much. All the best. Yes, Sumit, you want to ask something? Ask. बेचारे को पूछने दो यार. पूछ. हाँ है ना. तेरे को तो हमेशा हेलो हेलो बोलते रहते हैं.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm really happy for Sara Zamana. It has already crossed more than 20 million. That too in a very short span of time, in just 2-3 days. I'm really happy because yesterday I was having interaction with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and he expressed and he told me, I was really happy that he also noticed Sara Zamana, and he is very proud of it. He's very proud of the reprised version of Sara Zamana, and he and Hrithik Roshan really appreciated my work, my talent. I think that's what really matters. Yes, I'm here to promote Sara Zamana and also to present an award, so it's going to be a great evening. Sorry? So each and every song is so different, and our song is very Western. We have a different kinds of dancing in it. We've done whacking, we've done freestyle. We have done a lot of dancing in it, and it's more of a very dancing song, very heavy dancing. So that's why. Thank you. Huh? Oh, New Year wishes. Oh, it's going to be very exciting New Year. Work plus a lot of fun with family and friends. Thank you.
Padmavati, we are not. Padmavati, we are not. Ross is not. Yeah. How did you like it? लोगों का रिएक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है. अभी ट्रेलर पसंद आया है. जैसे हम उम्मीद करते हैं अगर ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है तो उम्मीद ही वैसे ही होती है कि लोगों को पिक्चर भी पसंद आए. आज के शाम वही स्टारडस्ट हमेशा इज अ वेरी मैनी ईयर्स में हमेशा आती हूँ. तो यही है कि इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अवार्ड सॉन्ग. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑल maybe not this project. We're doing other projects with him. The timing we have already committed a lot other. It's just that this project we've not done. We're doing it. See, it's always a pleasure working with Sanjay sir. But sometimes this opportunities let him work with others also, and I'm sure we'll work the other projects together.
I think एक तो ये रात बहुत ही स्टार स्टार्टेड है. I just saw few of my favorites hosting the show, like Ritesh, Abhishek, Farah. They're people I really look up to. Farah and Ritesh, of course, I have worked with, so I know them. They're just fabulous on stage. And I saw Sushant's performance and amazing. I mean, he's done such a fabulous job on stage. बहुत कम लड़के होते हैं जो stage पे perform करते हैं. I think he performed very well. And well, I'm just hoping that everybody who really deserves wins these awards, because I know for a fact that these award functions actually make actors feel validated, feel good about what they've done all throughout the year. So I think it's a great night, and I really wish all the best to all the nominees, and congratulations to everybody who's won awards tonight. I am super excited for the Queen remake. वो फिल्म मुझे खुद बहुत पसंद आई है, and yeah, I am going to be a part of its remake in the South. So yeah, very excited. Yes, I finished shooting for Bahubali 2. It is definitely going to be bigger and better for you guys. I am sure you won't be disappointed.
Sorry? Plans. Well, I normally don't have anything very brilliant planned, but I would want to spend this New Year's with my family because मैं हमेशा travel करती रहती हूँ. We anyway travel so much thanks to our job. कभी-कभी family के साथ वक्त बिताने का मौका नहीं मिलता. So this year is completely with my family. आप आज इतने डल क्यों हैं? बताइए. आपने तो बहुत अच्छी शर्ट पहनी है. Yes, it's by a amazing international designer called Mr. Langer. So yeah, Mr. Langer, yeah. Right, right. Well, I think at least अभी awareness है कि एक problem है बोल के there's a huge awareness. And I think it starts with having awareness. Of course, we really need to educate people a lot more. And it's a long way to go, but शुरुआत तो हुई है. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you.
बुलाए तो क्या करूं? हाँ, इसके आगे तो स्टारडस्ट में मुझे मेरा पहला अवार्ड मिला था. स्टारडस्ट में मुझे मेरा पहला अवार्ड मिला था. So I want to see who wins, and I hope the best newcomer wins because it takes a lot to be an actor, and it's not easy.
Are you still doing circus or have you uploaded on the film?
Sorry? The script is, they're still writing the script, so it's too early for me to take this call, you know. No, not yet. I haven't heard the film yet. Yes. New Year plans. I think I'm gonna have dinner with my sister, but I don't know if Salman's is celebrating his birthday. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if he is. Yes, we're in talks with something very nice. But let's see, you know, I still haven't signed the film, so I don't know. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry for leaving.
Of course, बहुत excited हूँ. In fact, demonetization की वजह से भी I think film is still doing well. It has recovered its principal amount, and I'm very happy that a lot of people have also liked it, and there are liking. There are people who've not liked it, but I think every film has a mixed review. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि लोगों को जो थ्रिलर है उसका जो थ्रिल पार्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग माई वर्क, एंड फॉर मी देयर इज़ नथिंग मोर एक्साइटिंग देन दिस. एंड डेफिनेटली आगे के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मेहनत तो करनी ही है, और सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ मोर फिल्म्स एंड डू बेटर वर्क दैट आई कैन. Well, plans he's going to make, we're just going to go and have fun, so yeah. बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले. आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स तो मुझे लड़कियों से मिले, विच आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज. आई थॉट गाइज वुड बी गोइंग गागा ओवर मी, बट आई थिंक गर्ल्स हैव बिकम लॉट ऑफ गर्ल क्रश नाउ डेज फॉर लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स. सो आई थिंक दैट रियली फील्स नाइस, एंड आई थिंक आजकल जो गर्ल्स एक दूसरे को अपलिफ्ट कर रही है, इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग, बट इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड इट्स वेरी एक्सेप्टेबल. एंड आई होप लाइक दैट यू नो गर्ल्स लर्न समथिंग एंड जस्ट कीप अपलिफ्टिंग पीपल rather than pulling them down. So you just feel good when girls compliment you, you know. Hi, this is Sana Khan. I want to wish everyone a very happy new year. Thank you.
You've been a part of many awards. How significant are awards in your life?
You see, what I love in award is the thrill, the excitement of new people, new talent coming out, making such a wonderful films, doing a wonderful job. When they get award, I'm reminded of my younger age, and I really come here to bless them. I enjoy them. This is more of a festival and a festivity of the film fraternity, and I really love it. There should be more award, and newcomer must win. Maximum new talent must come. You know, I am in a running university, practically a college, and creating filmmakers in the films. So now I'm definitely going to produce a few movies next year, and I will announce very soon.
there is only two things. One is a Nayak, one is a Khalnayak. And the Nayak returns and the Khalnayak returns. When the Nayak returns, what happens to the Khalnayak returns? When they return, they clash. And what happened, the clash, that is the future. Thank you.
Namaste, how are you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
February is the final month, which has been decided now.
Yeah,
Just tell us something more about it.
I think let him speak about it.
I'm very proud to announce that, within a month, this year will be over, this month, in a few days. And next year, early next year, Neil loses his bachelorhood. Neil is getting married in February sometime. I'm extremely proud and very blessed, feeling very thrilled. We welcome Rukmini to our family very lovingly.
You think I am? No, not at all. I'm extremely happy. This is something I left to my parents to decide many years back. And I'm really happy that they found Rukmini. And I'm looking forward to it. It's something exciting. And yeah, I mean, I wasn't prepared for it, but it's happening, yeah. I am doing an extremely important character, and without any speculation, I will very soon announce what character it is. Thanks.
See, Nil Batte Sannata was a very, very special film. Very, very special. Jab script aayi thi, tabhi, matlab, I just dived into the film. So, as and when something as special as a contribution as a producer that comes my way, मैं definitely produce करना चाहूँगी. Most definitely. Thank you. Oh yes, a very, 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 very happy New Year to all of you. May your coming year be filled with lots and lots of love. I thrive on love, and I want your lives to be filled with abundance of it. So have a blast. Thank you.
Hello. How are you? Good. Life treating me really well. The film that I've completed should be out soon. It's called 3 Dev. It's a comedy film. Lots of fun. That should be out soon. We're traveling, as always. We're going to Australia. We'll be there, and we'll celebrate New Year's and her birthday there. And we'll be back soon. Pardon me? Yeah, it's a rock band actually. It's not a boy band. It's called Dinosaur Pile Up. But we're still working on what kind of song that we want to do. Thank you. That's it. Can I go? No, not really. I'm not venturing into production as of now. Thank you. Thank you.
मैं बहुत excited हूँ. ये एक opportunity जो मुझे मिला है. It's a dream come true to be able to work with Shah Rukh Khan, and I hope that everybody loves the song. In 2 days release hoga, so I hope you guys love it. I met her during Diwali, and she's absolutely lovely, so beautiful, and I'm happy that she liked the song. Thank you, bye.
Congratulations. Oh, thank you so much.
How proud do you feel?
I actually don't know if I deserve it, but I'm really happy. I had like a strong competition, and I feel all the nominees were amazing. They were like great actors, and I really feel happy, and yeah, very excited.
Yes, you will see. How do you plan to celebrate it?
I've stopped like celebrating stuff. Now I only work or I sleep. I become boring in life.
Who presented you the award?
Kriti and Sushant. It was really nice for me to be getting it from Sushant and Kriti, because Sushant was a part
he was the Dhoni in my film, and you know, he was really nice. And Kriti had won best debut 2 years back, so it was really nice to be getting awards from them.
Are you getting Fish of the Year part 2? I mean, there were reports that you signed for the...
What's up? How are you? No, nobody approached me. I don't know how you get all these news. I wish, yeah, no.
Before you leave, can you wish the viewers for the year?
Hi, you want me to take certain... Just say Happy New Year, that's it. Christmas. Hi, this is Disha Padni. Hi, this is Disha Padni, and wish all the viewers a very Happy New Year. Thank you.
Very happy, and now I'm performing Every Night and Day, which we launched together with Ulia. And Aapse Mausiki has crossed 25 million hits on the first 4 videos. So I'm very, very happy, very excited, and really looking forward to perform at this award. And Jumme Ki Raat, Hookah Bar, and Every Night and Day, Aapse Mausiki.